Hi, Stephen here. A frequent question we get asked is why you cannot size an armoured single-core cable buried in the ground to BS7671. In this short video, I'll give you the answer to that, show you how you can size the cable, and provide a quick demonstration. While BS7671 allows you to use buried single-core armoured cables, the reason you can't size it is quite simple. Appendix 4, current carrying capacity for cables, doesn't have the necessary data to enable you to size the cable. As you can see at the moment, table 4E3A, there is no sizing method for buried cables, whereas for multi-core cables, in table 4E4A, there is buried sizing data. And quite simply, that is the reason you cannot size a single-core unarmoured direct buried cable to BS7671. Alternative standards, such as the ERA 6930 standard, do provide data and methods to size single-core unarmoured direct buried cables. As a quick demonstration, I'll create a new cable. Enter the edit screen, and I will basically leave everything as a default value. However, I will select an XLPE armoured cable, making sure that it's single core copper, and selecting 50mm squared. If I select BS7671 and the primary installation method, the only two methods we have are clip direct and free air on ladder trays, etc. There is no buried cable option for the reasons previously given. However, if we select ERA 6930, part 5 in this instance, given that it's an XLPE cable, for the primary method we do have in-ground direct, and we can select, for example, single core direct in-ground trefoil, and as we'll see at the calculation on the right hand side, the cable has been sized and the sustained current capacity determined. And this is how you can size a buried single core unarmoured cable. Finally, if you haven't used our application before and you'd like to give it a try, just visit myCableEngineering.com, register, and you'll be given some free time to try out the application and see if it's suitable for your needs.